How to send crypto from Binance to Binance Web3 Wallet. So to send cryptocurrency from your Binance account, first of all, open your Binance Wallet application, or you can just go to the website here, right, and navigate to the wallet section, right? So this is our wallet section. Once you tap on it, navigate to the wallet, and here you will get this option of Web3, right? So let's go to the wallet section. Now here you have to click on transfer option within your Web3 wallet interface, right? So some user where they will not be able to find the Web3 option on their Binance account. The issue is that it's not available for everyone. So if it is available in your account in your region, then you can use it. In the transfer window, choose your source wallet, typically your spot or funding wallet here, right? So once you go here, then you will get here spot and funding option. Right now you can just go and click on it and it will just open up. Right now here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Right, so on the top right side corner you will see this option of transfer here. Right now here in the transfer, choose the cryptocurrency, whether it's USDT, BNB, whatever it is. Ensure that the asset is selected, supported by both Binance and your Web3 wallet. Now select the appropriate blockchain network for the transfer, right? Whether it's a BNB smart chain. It's important to choose a network that both Binance and your Web3 wallet support. So make sure you check that, right? Because in the future, to avoid any kind of any issues, right? Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. You can add also choose to send the maximum available amount. Check all details carefully, including the sending address, which should auto-populate, right? And select a network and any applicable network fees. Click on withdraw or confirm depending on the interface here. You may need to complete additional security verification, such as a 2FA, and verify your identity, right? Then only you will be able to do this. But if you have already did it, then you can just confirm the transaction will be processed. You can check your Web3 wallet balance after a short while to see if the funds have arrived. This is it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.